Hello traders, it's Wednesday. We're going to cover the Sonic Wednesday. Remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. On Wednesdays, there's typically news events. I have the news indicator up there on the top left hand of the chart. Get a free trial with that news indicator and other free trials at DayTradeToWin.com if you don't already have a membership at DayTradeToWin. News events on Wednesday, typically the rates with the Fed, so be careful when the news comes out. We're always careful during that time. Now, with the Sonic system, we see a lot of short opportunities, and they're all winners so far, the last four trades. So I want to be very careful now and take a short trade as we speak live, 69.38 quarter. The reason why I'm taking this trade is because the risk-reward ratio makes sense. You can see that red dotted line and the green dotted line. That's where I have my stop and my target. I also have the entry as a limit order, and that's important because limit orders don't use slippage. If you're using market orders, remember you could have slippage. Second of all, third of all, fourth of all, we have a lot of signals in our direction, so I like to see that. Everything is coming in our way. The Sonic system, based on price action, great for funded traders, gives you the stop, the target. It's very popular. We have hundreds of traders using the Sonic system with funded accounts. So if you're a trader who wants to get the target, the stop, and be still in full control of a price action system, consider the Sonic. Now, as the market goes in my favor, really what I'm focused on, if you think about how to manage a trade, the longer the trade stays negative or above where I entered, the worse off you are. So consider a time element. How long do you want to be in this trade? This is a 1 minute chart. So on a 1 minute chart, every candle representing 1 minute, really don't want to be in a trade longer than 20 to 30 minutes. That's usually, as a day trade, enough time for something to happen. Perfectly acceptable to get out at break even, perfectly acceptable to get out at a small loss. If you're looking at maybe 3 or 4 ticks, fantastic, get out of the trade because it's taking too long to get to your target. So when you see a situation like this where the market is kind of going sideways, as you can see, I'm still holding on to my target there, but after about 20 minutes, I would say, that's when you really have to start paying attention. Where are we? Is this trade doing anything? Has the situation reversed? It's going against me? These are all ideas that you as a trader should focus on. Now you can see the market is still at where I entered. It's only been about maybe 6 minutes into this trade. Remember, this is a live trade. And as soon as the market comes closer to that 20-minute mark, you're going to pull it. You're going to get out of the trade. It's going in my favor. All of you who are using the Sonic system should see this trade. You can absolutely get out, or you can hold on to that target.
Target filled.
All right, hit the target. I'm out of the trade. It was about maybe 8 minutes, I would say, in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, about 8 minutes into this trade. So think about how to manage a trade. How long you're in a trade matters. How much against you and how long it stays against you matters. And if there are any previous signals that are winners in the same direction, that also matters because it tells me that the trend, the strength, and everything is on your side to go into that direction. So consider that as a trader. Again, great for funded, great for personal accounts. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com and get a free member account. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will see everyone at the next video. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.